A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant development following the recent elections, the Justice Department is actively discussing how to conclude two federal criminal cases against President-elect Donald Trump. This move is in line with the department's long-standing policy that prohibits the prosecution of a sitting president. As Trump prepares to take office for a second term, officials are evaluating the implications of ongoing legal battles on the executive branch's functionality. The discussions come amid a backdrop of mixed sentiments within the political landscape, as various factions within the Democratic Party reflect on the implications of Trump's re-election. Notably, political strategist James Carville expressed his dismay, stating that despite having every advantage in the election, the outcome was not in their favor. This sentiment resonates with many Democrats who are now faced with a difficult introspection about their strategies and messages moving forward. The Justice Department's considerations are influenced by a 2000 memo from the Office of Legal Counsel, which argues that prosecuting a sitting president violates the separation of powers doctrine. This memo asserts that such actions would interfere with presidential duties, suggesting that impeachment is the only appropriate method to address misconduct by a sitting president. Former Attorney General Bill Barr has publicly supported this stance, emphasizing that once Trump is inaugurated, the federal cases against him will likely be halted. Barr noted that voters were aware of the criminal allegations against Trump at the time of their decision, indicating that the electorate has rendered a verdict in favor of the president-elect. The federal cases in question pertain to Trump's alleged attempts to overturn the 2020 election results and his handling of classified documents post-presidency. While Trump may not have the power to dismiss state-level cases against him, Barr argues that local prosecutors should consider moving on from what he describes as a spectacle of prosecuting a president-elect. He urges that further legal maneuvers would only serve to distract the country from pressing issues at hand. As the nation braces for Trump's return to the White House, discussions are also taking place about the broader implications of his administration on various policy fronts. The Republican Party's recent electoral successes, coupled with Trump's leadership, may extend conservative influence in the Supreme Court for potentially another 2 decades. This development raises questions about the future of key issues such as abortion rights and minimum wage increases, particularly in states that have shown support for both Trump and progressive measures. In the wake of the election, President Joe Biden is expected to address the nation from the White House Rose Garden, reflecting on the party's challenges and the path ahead. Meanwhile, the financial landscape is also shifting, with reports indicating that the world's wealthiest individuals saw a substantial increase in their fortunes on the election day, further complicating the narrative surrounding economic equity and political power. As the incoming administration gears up for its second term, the Justice Department's approach to Trump's legal challenges will undoubtedly be a focal point for both supporters and critics. The balance between upholding the law and respecting the democratic process will be crucial as the nation navigates through this unprecedented political landscape. As Trump prepares to take the oath of office once again, the implications of his presidency, both legally and politically, will be closely monitored by citizens and lawmakers alike. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.